Viewers, well, this is a lawnmower I sold previously, and yeah, it had some problems. Apparently the primer bulb, well, what I got to it, the ring that's on the Tecumseh primer bulbs, it broke. I just now got a new one here. I've already replaced the mower for the customer with a different one than I had, and that runs fine. So what you do with these new primers, this is the kind without the hole. Usually these are black. This is a part number will be in the item in the description. Well, to put these in, you get the primer like this and you want the middle tabs of the retainer pointed up like that, not down. And then you put it in. It'll fit in there snug. Then you're going to take a 19mm socket that fits in there well, and give it a whack with a rubber mallet. What happens is if you get it gets cracked or something, you'll develop an air leak, and then it won't run. And that should all you need. This won't come out now. I'll give you a shot, close up of what that is. You see, there it is. And now it should run right. I have it on low idle.